2 of the Woodwork challenge with Josh again and Luke.
It's only part 2 because you stopped the video.
Who's
stopped the video on accident.
It's my shot, wasn't it?
Quick banter.
Yeah.
Cam shot.
Don't stop the video.
Thank you.
Crossbar. Oh, okay. You missed. That didn't work. What are you going for?
The one at the top.
The crossbar. You know what it's called.
I'm gonna be dumb.
That ain't gonna work. You're just gonna make people sick. I take you back. There you go. There you go. There you
That's how
go.
you do it.
Luke's winning. That was sick.
Yeah, but I'm gonna go for the same shot then.
Crossbar.
I can't even.
Oh my god, that was crap. Josh, you're really good. I can't believe I actually just did that. Please subscribe.
Or crossbar.
Alright, you should go for post.
Josh, ready for a post?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go for a right post.
This one. I'll stand right here.
Yes! I hit it!
Hit it! Hit it!
Yeah.
Hit it! I hit it! I hit
You
it!
have to go off the floor.
No. It's not happening.
I'm gonna go for my first intention, the right post.
Oh wow. I'm going to zoom in at the right post then. Josh was actually quite close. Video it, Josh.
Video on. Callum's next shot to get into the lead.
Ah! Which post? Okay, so left. I'm actually crap. I'm surprised I'm winning.
How are you winning?
I've only got the crossbar left.
You've got the crossbar left.
And Luke has hit the crossbar. Luke's got the 2
I've
posts.
hit nothing.
And Josh has still
You have
got
to get it off the floor. It has to be a shot.
Oh, mine bounced before it hit it.
Yeah, it can bounce, but it has to be a shot. You can't just roll it, like pass it against the wall. Crossbar. That's it.
Good crossbar, Luke.
Oh, damn it!
He said nothing, he said ship.
Yeah,
With
ship.
a P.
As in, like, ship people. Like, Zelfie and Mouthy and...
I smile away the elves and dress them with the flowers. Oh, my head. Oh, the stuff's finished.
Wow, my thoughts are busy. Action. I tell that.
You don't even know the words. Which post? Oh yeah, you only got 1. Why do you even ask? He's just gonna go and win it, and he... Oh no, didn't get a 3 in a row. Luke, which one are you going for? Oh well, yeah, which post? I know, you have to say which post. You can't just go, oh, a post.
Like, I'm on nothing. I could just take a shot and go, I'm going for the post. And I'll just win.
Oh my god!
How are you doing that?
You hit the up there. Just like... You right? You right, fella? Them techers, though. Them techers, though. I'm too good for techers. Martel and James are better than me. It's Josh on the crossbar. Hang on, Josh. Hang on, Josh. Go on, Josh. Go, go, go!
Okay.
Bum, bum, bum. It doesn't count because he called
Give me charity.
charity.
Yeah, because you're both...
Lou, should we let it count?
No.
I say yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Because it's, yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors. Rock, paper, scissors. Yes!
Okay,
I'm
then
on 1. Left it, the
it's
left.
my go.
It's not.
It is. Josh just took.
If I win, I
No,
technically
you're not. Why?
because I cheated.
He won't let me use his football. Because I'm nasty.
Oh wow, look what I just noticed.
Convert them with the flowers. Consult.
No,
You
Meg.
could have used this.
No. It's going to be even harder.
There's one.
Convert them with the flowers. Consult them with the eggs. Best.
Come on then. Look, you can do that. And it's easier.
but I don't care. I like taking.
It's Callum with the whale stop. Bop, bop, bop,
You don't
bop.
even need to ask him. He's only got one more left because he's on Walkers.
Hang on a minute. Let me just get close up to this crossbar. Crossbar. There it is. Ba 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 da ba da ba ba ba. Ding da ding da ding. I've won.
Wait till the end.
Should we? I'm gonna see who comes second.
That's Luke. He has one left. Isn't he?
No, he's just two. Oh, now Luke's got one.
He didn't call it.
Oh no, I got charity. Which one are you going for, Josh?
I haven't even tried the left post, so I'll just give it a go.
I did it on my first goal on left post.
I didn't. Because I'm rubbish.
The football only just got in the camera when I zoomed in.
Josh, you lost.
Well, at least you're beating Josh.
Someone's left a full drink here.
Poor boy. Check out the picture down there. You,
Yeah!
Josh, you're gonna lose. You don't have to drink it all. You have to drink some. And when I get it on camera, I'm definitely uploading it.
Josh, have the drink to there.
Nah,
Half a thing.
nah.
Half and then I'll drink half.
Cause you yeah. Josh drinks half. Luke drinks
he
half.
won.
Cause I won.
Okay, and then you drink in 5 minutes left.
Whose goal is it?
No, actually, I don't even know if I can second yet.
Whoever drinks more than the other person. He's going next.
If I lose, I just drink
Is it
the
my
whole
shot?
thing.
Is it my shot?
I'm thirsty.
Is it my shot? Yes, it is my shot.
Which one are you going for?
Top bench.
I should have a go
You're
at
not
that.
even playing top binge challenge.
That's what I might do in the next one. Oh my god.
Guys, you want to see what happened? My leg, guys.
Who cares?
To be honest, that was a good goal. What if there was a goal in?
I think I played a different game. What you're playing? No, I think it's post.
You just, oh, I didn't catch it on camera, but he only just got it over Josh's head.
I was aiming for his head.
No, he wasn't. You were aiming for the
No,
post.
because Josh is in line with the post, and if it hit Josh's post, it would have just gone over and hit the post.
Come on, genius.
Genius. My calculation said I would have hit the post. Josh had gone in the way.
It wasn't going to hit the post, though.
If that hit my head, then the post, that'd be my post.
He said nothing.
No.
Oh my god, look at this! Look at this!
You can get the other one, that's my shot.
Oh, I thought you were going to hit the crossbar. I thought you aimed for the crossbar.
Oh, shut up! Luke, you have to go get the other one, it's my shot. You don't have to get the other one, you have to. You kicked this.
Would that count as my post if you hit my head and it hit the post?
Yeah. So,
That's it, no, the free throw. Hit the wrong one.
yeah, the penalty spots were here, Josh.
Shut up.
Not there.
That's the free throw.
Which one are you going for, Josh?
Left post. I don't think you're ready because that was rubbish.
I didn't catch it on camera.
Well, the spot, like, actually.
Which one? Luke has only got the left post and the crossbar, hasn't he?
I think crossbar.
I've already lost.
Oh, Luke's only got left post. Come on, Luke.
I've got left
It's gone over 9 minutes already.
That was a good shot. Apart from it wasn't on target.
Can I have another go?
It's my go.
Another one, no.
I'll start from the start again.
Well, no, because you've already won.
But
Find crossbar. Change it up.
Ready, Josh?
I keep.
Josh, you've hit that post.
I know. I almost did the pocket rocket thing. Never cool.
Yes?
These technically sound the rocket, that's the one. Can I use that one?
Come on.
So forward, I don't like it.
It's not. It's good.
I don't like it that much. Even though it's your ball, sorry, I don't like it. I like this one.
Hit the crossbar. Hit the crossbar.
Oh, I went top bin as well.
That was the sickest, like, goal penalty ever.
Why am I here?
was an actual penalty, though.
Oh, it's starting to rain.
I forgot to tell you. Crossbar.
How
I've
did
done that 3 times. If that hit, I would have cried. Josh, open that bottle ready for you.
Oh, shut up. We found a bottle of drink that's left there. So whoever loses has to drink from it.
Go on then.
Nah, but first we have to do whoever loses. Drink some it first. Crossbar. Okay. Let's just come on.
Go on then. How long is this going to go on for?
I don't know, 15 minutes.
You two are so bad.
Shut up, at least it wasn't like 10 of us did.
How do it even works?
I know, that's what I'm saying. At least there wasn't 10 of us here.
But it's like there's been 10 of us here.
Okay.
Oh, banter her. No, because...
Hello, Tom.
Oh, come on, I'll take a drink of it.
You're not allowed to pass it. Do you want me to, Karen? At the post.
Um,
No, not yet. You can, but the loser has to drink from it first.
Hold on, where you going?
Okay. The one at the
You
top.
have to drink the whole bottle. Tom, no.
Alright, then I'll play.
No,
No.
it's out of me and Luke.
Tom, no.
Tom.
Tom, you can't kick a football.
I've done it 4 times! That means I'll lose. And then I get to drink the ball. Can you make your son deaf? And then it's just interesting. Make it.
Do send Tef. Because none of you have hit the left post, you both have to aim for the left post.
No!
Yeah. Because none of you have hit it though. Is Luke actually going to drink it?
Nah, Luke is loser.
Luke, I'll drink it.
I already feel like I'm a loser.
Luke, can I drink it instead of you?
Fine, then we both have to drink it because technically we both are losers.
Open that, you've got to straight around.
Can I drink it?
No. I'll drink. Go, half drink. Half drink.
Move, Luke!
Can I drink some of it?
Nice. I'll just do this. Speed it.
Ready, guys? Ready, guys?
Great banter. Look at his face.
Ready?
I actually just swore. I just messed up the whole video.
Just blew it out.
He doesn't know how to edit. Oh, I'll do that for that.
I can't believe you're doing
You wouldn't
this.
like it if I did it, Luke, would you? Do you just squirt over yourself?
Luke's drinking the bottle.
Oh, come on, I'll drink it.
We don't even know how long it's been on the floor for.
No, you're going to squirt on me.
No.
Fine. I don't get a ball.
Yes, straight over the Liverpool top.
Oh, how did I know you did that?
Tom thinks he's a ninja.
Nah, if I hit this now.
Me and Luke's already been squirt.
Tom's actually drinking. Is he drinking it?
Yeah.
I'm not drinking it because I won.
Straight over the Liverpool top. What you needed.
Who do you support, Josh?
Ready?
Josh.
Man United.
Yes.
That'd have been a sick cross.
Josh, Luke, and Tom drank a bottle. It's been on the floor for we don't even know how long.
Well, yeah, but he had the lid on it.
Wait a minute, what was the expire date?
No, it's a free
There is a bar on a bottle sometimes.
No, I meant the other one.
Tom, don't.
Tom, pass.
Alright.
Tom nearly hit the left post.
Yay for Chinese pizza. Yay for Chinese. Can't pass the ball. Can't pass the ball.
Well, I think it's a free for all. Fine then, volley crossbar.
I'm stopping it here now. Goodbye.